Hello, in this video, we're going to do the warm-up for lesson 2.1, conditionals. And first thing we want to do is go to the slide. This one here says get an integer from the user, then multiply it by itself, then print the result. All right, so let's go ahead and start. So we're going to call the integer num, make it easy, equals, and I want to do all of this on one line. I could do this on multiple lines, but I want to get into the habit of doing as few lines as possible. So I want to get an integer. So I'm going to typecast this right here on this line. So I'm going to do int, and then a parentheses. Then I'm going to get the input, then another parentheses, and then let's do enter an integer. And we'll go space, space, and then another parentheses. That's my literal string for the input. I'm going to close the parentheses for the input, and then close the parentheses for the integer. So now anything input into that box, assuming it's a number value, is going to become an integer. Now I need to multiply the number by itself. And so I'm going to use this. I'll go num, and then the multiplication is the star. Then I'm just going to go ahead and do equals, and then num. And this is a handy way of doing this because I could do num equals num times num. That would also work. But this way, I'm basically redefining the variables. I'm redefining num every time I multiply it by itself. And so then I can go down to the next line and just do print. And I want to print num. And remember, I don't have to make this into a string because there's no other strings involved. So I can just print this as it is. Let's go ahead and run this code. So enter an integer. Let's do 5 because we'll know what the answer is going to be. 5, and we're predicting we're going to get 25. Let's see. There we go. We got 25. So that is the solution for the warm-up. Good luck.